Hi there, welcome to this quick lesson on the graph of the cosecant function. Today, we'll take one example and break it down step by step to find the essential elements: the gap, the midline, the period, the phase shift, the vertical shift, range, asymptotes, and the 9 key points. I'm Kyle Charles Gabriel Ipas.
And I am Francis Lord Paraiso.
And we are the Backseat Boys. Let's get started.
Our example is y equals 2 cosecant 2x minus pi over 2 plus 1. A is equals to 2, B is also equals to 2, and C is equals to negative pi over 2, D is equals to 1. This function is based on the reciprocal of sine equals cosecant x equals 1 over sine x. So let's break it down.
Step 1. Gap. To find the gap, its formula is always the absolute value of A, which in our example is 2, so our gap is 2.
Step 2. Period. Next, let's find the period. The formula for the period of a cosecant function is 2 pi over b. So here, b equals to 2, so period is 2 pi over 2 and equals to pi. Step 3. Phase shift. The phase shift tells us how far the graph moves left or right. Use the formula negative c over b. In our example, c is equals to negative pi over 2 and b is equals to 2. So phase shift is equals to negative close parenthesis negative pi over 2 close parenthesis divided 2 is equals to pi over 4. The graph shifts pi over 4 to the right. Step 4. Vertical shift and midline. Both of them is a d in our given. The vertical shift is the constant plus 1, which moves the graph upward. The midline of the graph is the horizontal line, y equals 1. This is the reference line for the cosecant function. Step 5. Range. The range comes from the amplitude and the vertical shift. Since a is equals to 2, the graph stretches 2 units above and below that midline. The range is negative infinite and negative 1. And the other is 3 and positive infinite. It avoids values between negative 1 and 3.
Step 6. Asymptotes. Now, to get the 3 asymptotes, there is a given formula for each asymptotes in cosecant function, which is bx plus c equals 0 for asymptote 1, bx plus c equals pi for asymptote 2, and bx plus c equals 2 pi for asymptote 3. Now we solve for the first asymptote. Now we replace the labels with the corresponding numbers. Bx is now 2x and c is negative pi over 2. Since c is negative, we will be subtracting instead of adding. Let's solve. Keep doing this and so on with the other asymptotes. Now that we have our asymptotes, let's proceed to the table. Here is the solution to get the 9 key points in the table. Now we get the y table. Just replace the x value of the example 2 cosecant 2x minus pi over 2 plus 1. With the new x, we will solve for the table. For the asymptotes, it's always undefined. We must solve the ones that aren't undefined. Now that we have gotten our points, let's go to the plotting. The asymptotes are represented with the broken lines. Now, we connect the curve up and down points. And now we're finished. That's all of it. Thank you for watching. Press like if you liked and learned something from this video.